Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover the pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 points. So in the previous videos we discussed up to 5 points, right? The graphical method of finding solutions of a pair of linear equations. Today we are going to do practically, guys. So today we are going to do practically. So let's start. In the previous video we discussed up to 5 points, guys. So even graphical method of finding a solution of pair of linear equations also we discussed, but we did not go into deep. We did not discuss the examples. Today we are going to discuss those examples with the help of graph. Okay, let's start. As I said in the previous video that when we are talking about two lines, that is pair of linear equations, when we are talking about two straight lines, so how many possibilities we may get? So one it is intersecting lines, and other possibility is parallel lines, and other is coincident lines. So these three are possibilities in the real time. Okay, so let we discuss an example of first one, guys, with the help of graph paper. Let's start. Okay, I have taken two equations, that is 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So as we know that the equation of a straight line is y equal to mx plus c, right? So convert the given equations in this format, y equal to mx plus c format. So take the first equation and convert into this format. So I got y equal to 5 minus 2x or minus 2x plus 5. Similarly, second line. So convert into this format, y equal to mx plus c. So here x is nothing but x coefficient is called slope. Okay, x coefficient is called slope, that is minus 2, and phi is called the intercept, y intercept we call. Here the second equation, x coefficient is 3 by 2 and y intercept is minus 4 by 2, is nothing but minus 2. Okay, so this is the first step, guys. So whenever the equations are given, we need to convert into y equal to mx plus c, that is a standard form of a straight line. Convert into this form, and next step is we need to prepare the table for that. We need to prepare the table for these two lines. Okay, why we need to prepare a table for these two lines? Because we need to plot points on the graph paper, right? So for that reason we need to prepare two tables for individually, for line 1 one table, line 2 other table. Let's start. So we got an equation of y equal to 5 minus 2x. Okay, so here take according to this equation. So here how many variables we are discussing with two variables, right? X and y. So I took with x variable. Okay, take any four values, 4 or 5 is up to you. So my suggestion is take down small values so that it will fit in the graph paper. If you take more value, bigger values, it may not fit in the graph paper. Again we have to adjust the scale, yes or no. So my advice is better take small values, it will be fit in your graph paper and looks neat. Okay, so I took 0, minus 1, minus 2, 2, 4. You can take 1 or 2 also, it's up to you. So what is next one? Minus 2x, minus 2x. So in place of x replaced by minus 2, we get plus 4. So x value I took as minus 2, no, it becomes plus 4. If x is minus 1, it becomes plus 1. If x equal to 0, minus 2x becomes 0. If x equal to 2, minus 2x becomes minus 4. X equal to 4, it becomes minus 8. Now 5 minus 2x. 5 minus what we got 2x value? 4. 5 minus 4 is 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 8 is 3. Minus 3, sorry. So it is nothing but y, right? So we'll get same values, 9, 6, 5, 1, minus 3. So according to the ordered pair, how we can write? X comma y, right? So minus 2 comma 9, 1 comma 6, 0 comma 5, 2 comma 1, 4 comma minus 3. These are the ordered pairs. These are the points to be plotted on the graph paper. Similarly, we can do for line 2 also. I took same values, so simplify accordingly. Okay, so we get minus 2 comma minus 5, 1 comma minus 1 comma 3.5, 0 comma minus 2, 2 comma 1, 4 comma 4. Okay, now this is a verification, guys. After you can see only if you want to solve the sum, you can solve on the right hand side of your graph paper. We cannot keep any pen on the graph paper. It should be plotted with pencil only. Okay, now let's solve this sum, the given equations. This is for verification purpose. Okay, so what is given line? 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So solve in any format, either elimination or substitution method. Still we did not discuss those, but as of now you solve in any one of the method. Solve for x and y. We got x comma y equal to 2 comma 1, x equal to 2 comma 1. So this is a common point. When you draw the graph, this is a common point. These two lines meet at this point. That is the meaning of this. We got 2 comma 1, no? At this point these two lines meet, these two lines touches. Let's check in graph paper, guys. Now plotting the points. What is first one? Minus 2 comma 9. X is minus 2, y is 9. X is minus 2, y is 9. Plot here. Okay, now x is minus 2, y is 9. Plot here. Next one, x is minus 1, y is 6. X is 0, y is 1. Sorry, I did not see. It's not compulsory that we should mark all the 5 points. You can mark any 3 or 4 also. It's up to you. Okay, what is next one? 2 comma 1. X is 2, y is 1. Okay, next one, x is 4, y is minus 3. X is 4, positive value, y is minus 3. So if we got a straight line, we got all the points on the same pattern. So draw a line. Okay, similarly other line, minus 2 comma 5. X is minus 2, y is minus 5. Here at this point. Okay, now x is minus 1, y is 3.5, minus 3.5 here. Now x is 2 comma 1. X is 2, y is 1 here. 4 comma minus 4. X is 4, y is 4. 4 comma 4. We got the points on the same line. So draw a line. So after drawing these two lines meet at a point. Yes or no? It is meeting at point 1 on the y-axis, point 2 on the x-axis. So this is a intersecting lines example, guys. So we got a unique solution for these two lines. We got unique solution, that is 2 comma 1. These two lines meeting at a common point, that is 2 comma 1. Okay, and regarding the scale, here we took scale as 1 centimeter only, right? We did not change the numbers, right? So we have to mention the scale also. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Okay, so this is an example of intersecting lines. Okay, in the next video we are going to discuss next pattern, that is parallel lines. Thank you for watching.